Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to duplicate in Canva mobile. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, now first of all, if you want to duplicate an element, just click on the element, click on these three dots, and here you can see this option duplicate, just click on it, and the element will be duplicated. Now, if you want to duplicate a page, just click on the page, go on bottom and slide to the right, click on more, and here just click on add page. Just click here, duplicate, and your page will be duplicated like this. Now if you want to see your duplicated page, just zoom in with your thumb and index finger like this, and you can see all the pages you have duplicated. You can also duplicate any one of these pages if you want by just clicking over here on duplicate, and you're good to go. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.